up the youth them.
So my birthday is tomorrow and just chilling. Yes, sir.
Good morning, Team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed my last vlog. As you can see, work is going on. You guys accept me back on the channel. I see you guys, some of you guys are saying you guys miss me and I feel so, I don't know, sometimes you guys get me emotional and but I don't want to show it like that on camera, but however just knows I have a heart. We are back on site today. Nobody in the here today. I just me alone over here and I think for film, but I say I wait till the roofers then come for me show now what go on. But we finish rough cast outside of the building. I'm show now what go on. So the outer walls finish as in the last vlog when I never say anything on this side. It was that side and then the back. So then finish on here side and the front. Inside need for rough cast and render. So everything there here in terms of material and roofers them supposed to forward, you know, for them time. So the floor are the last thing I deal with. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't as yet subscribe, please check. Cause someone wanna say I never realize say I no subscribe until when I buck on a big tone power store and realize say yo, I'm not subscribed to Ismash channel. I'm just a watch. So ensure that you guys are subscribed. Ensure that every time you watch you like the video because you're doing nothing but helping me. And if you help me, what harm that do? What bad that do? Team Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. Thumbs up. Continue watch the vlogs, watch my other vlogs, my back, and we're working. And I always remember my email is open. My email is open. My Instagram, most of them DM me on Instagram. Can continue, I have no problem with that, but emails are open, everything open in regards to being in touch with me. Stay in touch guys, we are working. Morning again, Team Ismash. We are on site number 1, we're in which, as you can see, progress. So all of this chaos, the beam for the front porch go right down chaos. Scaffold them still up. All I guys ain't going just to let you know. And let me just show you about this cast as well. Along with this and this, all the beams. So the building completely tied. Along with those being box and cast, this is also being commenced. The shuttering of the building where we put up our decking. So we already installed those 2 of the bearers or runners, whatever you may call it. We have a couple of the joists up for in here. So tomorrow we start reverse side or continue it and we go over into this area leading out to that. So yeah guys, the building is coming along and we're gonna get approved for start chaos after we finish the shuttering. And as you can see, we use the acros, and the other prop shore is over there, so hardwood of course, and metal props we have a couple of them and we're gonna finish them off, and wherever the thick broke this so it pop. But we make sure so them here where you see more spot the acros go right around and flood out the place. So yeah, and then the next video or the next scene you would see where them will continue. I try to see if I can catch footage of them installing the, and yeah, so far so good. I gotta just have my one look a check and see all as well. Remember 3 feet apart, 3 feet apart. Day number 1, 2, 3 of the vlog, and earlier I said that I was going to be focusing on the side number 2, so that is the 2-bedroom unit. But no, this vlog will not be revolved around that, mainly because there's been a lot of rains and not much now go on that side. So because of the rain, some things get delayed and we are going back on site number 1. As stated, the guys are putting up the decking, so we'll see what go on. As of now, may I finish up some work and it a boil down to them time the evening, and tired. Me dey here from morning, brother, like from morning. And hopefully this doesn't consume too much of my time, so it dey close for me, cause me I try to get these vlogs rolling. Yes sir! Good day again, Team Ismash. We're back on site, and apparently I come too late, man. Then wrap up, you know, and I call it a day. But however, I still can show you what has been done today. And if you guys didn't know, my birthday gone June 6th, and some of you guys haven't told me happy birthday as yet. So you have the opportunity right now to tell me happy belated birthday. And you see this thing over here, so yeah man, just let me enjoy myself a little bit belatedly. So we're going to enter the unit right now and see what the guys have been up to, so we can drop some instructions. So here's her. So every day we inch forward. Rain fell today, guys. Fell today. So I appreciate the fact that we reach all the way. I call this now. I think this is the fire area. That is the kitchen around there. So, and yeah, when I think no work at all could I get done today, but we're inch it. So today is going to be a short day in regards to the vlog, because when I get to see when the guys are install, and I really want to show you when I put them up. So we have to go carry this over to another day, and by then the guys will be putting up the suffix board. Yeah, so for now this are going. We're still brace up and I put up with joists, so we will be putting up our suffix. This section is not done as yet. So guys, we're working. I mean, I don't know if I did see this yesterday, but them block here they packed too high, and that is a hazard in my eyes, because when you pull down the blocks, you reach too far up, therefore anything can fall in your head, just like with a cement bag, you know, and pack them too high. So we just kind of take it down to arm's reach or eye level or 6 feet or something like that, but something safe, so we can get for when block works ready for go on again, we can do it and do it as safe as possible. But that could work.
Moving on, someone told me that I could find it. I will find my way. Gotta keep looking. If it's not there, gotta go again. Wish to get over it, cause when I look aside, she's always by my side. She guides me where the sun.
So guys, this is the last day of the vlog, and I think we have finished set up the decking for today. However, as you can see, we're further than yesterday. The two for them up inside this area, and as you can see, the suffix board them gone up. At least most of them. Make out on the staircase. Leading upstairs. So you can see staircase, not a stairs. Half span. Oh, gone up. And here's a completely enclosed, and also here, so just like a door and balcony off here, so if you connect to that, As you can see, I can show you. One line up on the wall. The transfer level go right through what I use to put up then load there and transfer the levels to show what that gonna run. Strip farm. We'll go up top and see what going.
I'm not done. I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it. I'm not done. I just want me to find it.
So what takes place is that the woman changes the width of this step from 4 to 310. So we'll discuss on that and we get back to you guys.
Hey! Awa! You cooking it so big. Come on, you find the man, come on. Tell us something I wanted, man. What's all that? Long way. Well, need is that 12 feet, 14 feet, no matter. Just do one shot, please.
Brown glow. Different when the man them day the man chilling, man. If you have any washing here, you want to water, run out of the money.
Run! Eh? 21 now. What now? Look, that's 21 after glance up. What? That's 21 after glance up.
Soon done, guys.
Look.
I never did our compound side today. I just took out my promise yesterday to you guys and I try my best to roll out these vlogs. Therefore, I stop back on site today, but guys, that's hard to visit site every day. Hard. I let my key in here, so that's hard. However, guys, I'm gonna get for compound site tomorrow and the day tomorrow. I'm busy. I'm gonna say, yo, I can't even describe it to you guys, but just know I'm busy. So I'm gonna close the vlog here, and the next vlog in regards to this side, all of the decking supposed to finish erect. We should commence steel fixing. After steel fixing, you know, we are going to cast, so premix them are going to come in. Premix I do it. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this vlog. It has been a pleasure having you guys with me again. I always enjoy chilling with you guys in these vlogs and we chit chat a little bit. In our comment section, we can talk about what go on, talk about construction. You guys can even tell me what go on for your guys' side and link up, you know. But for now, this is the ending of my vlog, and I'll catch you in the next vlog. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day, night, whatever it is in your neck of the woods. I am out.